Hello everyone, my name is Azwan and today for this video I will be sharing on the SRM VMware Agent GUI. This is to explain on the features embedded on the agent. After a successful installation of the agent, there will be a shortcut icon created on the desktop named SRM VC Agent Status. You can click this icon and it will bring up the GUI. On the GUI, there will be information regarding the agent version, the FQHN of the vCenter server, and the status of the agent. There is a stop button which will stop the agent process, which can be used to carry out troubleshooting. When the agent is successfully stopped, the status will change to stopped and the same button will change to start, which will restart the agent when clicked. On the bottom side, there is an options section. The options consist of open data file location, open log file location, generate the VC agent analysis report aka PD tool, update FQHN, username and password of service account, update the retention period of data log files, update on demand flag, and vCenter connection health check. Let's go about these options one by one. For the first, open data file location, selecting this option will open the Windows Explorer window and show the directory in which the data files are kept. The second option, open log files location, similarly will open an Explorer window to view the log files. For the third, generate VC agent analysis report aka PD tool, this option will run the PD tool embedded on the agent and display the results via internet browser. Next, update FQHN, username and password of service account. We'll modify the config.properties file so that the user can modify the credentials if needed. Upon clicking on submit, the user can input the new credentials and similar to installation, there will be a test connection button before the user can finalize the credentials. Fifth, update retention period of data log or data files. We'll update the retention period if the user requires it to be longer or shorter than the default 5 days. Following that is the update on demand flag. This will update the on demand parameter in the config.properties file. Finally, the vCenter connection health check. This feature will help to monitor the health of the connection between the agent and the vCenter. And with that marks the ending of today's video. Thank you for taking the time to listen and I hope that this will help you in your tasks using SRM. For any issues, you can refer to the wiki link provided or you can contact any one of our friendly support. On behalf of the whole SRM team, thank you very much and have a nice day.